guys, welcome to my channel. So for some reason I don't have a proper intro today, but we're gonna get right into the tutorial this time. So for today's look, I'll be using the Perception palette from the Shayla X Colourpop collection. So I'm starting off by using the shade Culture, and I am applying the shadow all over my crease, and I am going to make sure to bring it all the way to the inner corner of the eye, just because I want a transition color that it's going to go all over the crease. And although the shadows are actually very pigmented, I really like to start grabbing small amounts and just build it up to the intensity that I prefer. Now I'm grabbing this darker shadow called Revenge, and with this one I want to intensify the outer corner of the eyes mostly, but I'm also going to bring it a little bit to the middle of the crease. I just want to add more definition to the eyes. And I just want to show you that I am purposely moving my makeup brush in this B motion shape on the outer part of the eye, because what I want to achieve is to create this wind owl shape on the outer part of the eye, something that is not gonna look that well done, but at the same time you are gonna be able to see that shape. Now I'm just bringing a little bit more definition on just on the outer part of the eye with the shade Played Out. This is a very rich chocolate dark brown shade, and as you can see I'm not adding a lot of it, but I just want to have even more definition in that area. I will be using my Becca Aqua Luminous concealer to cut my crease, and you will see right now, but instead of just following my normal eye crease, I am gonna bring out my concealer line a little bit further out. It's almost like I did a full wind owl cut crease, but without taking it all the way there. You know what I mean? I just wanted to have that extra detailing on the other part, because I am going to be using the shade IE, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous emerald green. I don't know what this shade is, but it's beautiful, as you can see. And to me, when I saw this shadow, it just called like palm trees, like green trees, but to me it literally screams like a summer night shade. That's just my inspiration. But basically I apply the shadow mainly with my finger on the center of the lid, but then I did switch to a detailed flat eyeshadow brush just to make sure to apply it perfectly on the line of the cut crease. And then with a fluffy blending brush, I just grab a little bit of Revenge, the same shadow that I already used in the crease, and just blend out this outer part of the eye just to make sure those two shadows combine perfectly. Now to complete the lower lash line, I started off by using Culture all along the lash line, and then I added a little bit of Revenge, the darker shadow, just on the outer part of the lash line. For lashes, I use my House of Lashes Iconic Lite. I of course did it off camera to save time here, but after that, I think a very important step is to always tightline your lash line to avoid having any naked gaps in your lash line. For bronzer, I am using this Colourpop Powder Bronzer in the shade Afternoon Delight. This bronzer is seriously so buttery and it's so inexpensive. I already did my foundation and concealer off camera because I did use the same products as I did in my last tutorial. So I will be showing you just bronzer, blush, and highlight and lipstick. Now for highlight, I'm actually bringing it a little bit old school, I feel, with this Opal highlighter by Becca. I feel like I started using so many new highlighters that I forget the older ones in my collection. But anyways, basically I'm just applying this on the higher points of my face, you know, the usual cheekbones, nails, on top of the eyebrows, chin. For lipstick, I'm using Uno Mas from Colourpop Lux collection. I don't have the lipsticks from Shayla and Colourpop, but I find that this pinky nude actually goes well with this makeup look. And for some reason, I have been wearing glossy lips everywhere recently, so I am using the Neat Freak gloss from the same collection. But that's it. This wraps up this video. I really hope you enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!